Hey guys, welcome to Santan Valley. We are out here in the Fulton Homes neighborhood, and we just installed this big beautiful barn door here. This is one of 3 barn doors. So this one here is a customer asked for multicolored. They really like this teal color, tealish green color, and the silvers and the browns. So we installed that in there. It is a really neat look. We haven't done these colors before in a lot of doors. So this is one of 3. This is a master bedroom door, and they're replacing all the tile in here. But it's going to keep down a lot of that noise. That early morning, one wakes up earlier than the other wakes up. So nice to have that in there. So that's door number 1. Hello again. Behind door number 2 is the office. So this is a huge barn door, 70 inches by 100 inches. Same look as the master bathroom door, a little bit lighter. But come on in, let me show you what they're all inside of. So that's this door, and then we got another one here that kind of blocks off the. There's like this little window, so they want to block that off as well. So that rolls perfectly right there. So you can see through it. It can be fully open if you want it to be fully open, or shut if you want it shut. So that comes over here.